Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix fiddly not loading each when a blank screen. So if your app is not loading or showing as it told you a black screen, it's usually a temporary app cache or network issue. So to fix it, you will need at first to check your internet connection for sure. So just go ahead and switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data, turn the airplane mode, the option that you can see at the top of my screen, on and then off, because the weak or unstable internet is the most common cause. Also guys, you will need to go and force close the app afterward. So on your phone, just go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of it, and then just go ahead swipe up the app, so that way you will close it completely from the recent apps. And now you will need just to wait for a few seconds and open it again. So this fixes small glitches instantly. Also guys, I do really advise you to do a restart for your phone or to your phone. That's simple but powerful. So just go ahead and turn off your phone, wait 30 seconds and turn it back on. And why not check for an update going with your Apple App Store or Google Play Store if you're on Android. Just go ahead, type Fiddly right there, look for it, find it, tap it, and then tap on updates if available. Okay, so the bugs causing the blank screens are often fixed in updates. Also, you can check by going and trying the web version. Okay, so just open in your browser the feedly.com, and if it works there, the problem is the app not on your account. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.